back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, first off, I just got a quick question. If you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. Also, my Instagram's right here. You can go follow that too. That really helps with the channel. A few weeks ago, we got BLACK listed from YouTube. So, you know, all that engagement apparently helps. I really appreciate it. Just real quick. Thank you. Also, man, this video isn't sponsored today. So what are we going to do? We're going to sponsor it ourselves, obviously. Our website, NameBranFam.com. There's a link down below. If you guys are looking for real sick jewelry, kind of like this. It's the real stuff, but like what we sell is fake because I can give it to you for a real good price. I handpick it myself. And the catch is, most of the things on the website's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. Another quick catch that I will tell you on the website, you can add 2 free items to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Don't add 1 thing, it'll make me more money, but don't do that. Add 2 things, you're gonna be more happy about that, I'm sure. These are 2 things people have been digging a lot lately. They've been selling out real quick, actually. Sick. Appreciate you. NameBranFam.com. God, am I hot. I forgot to tell you boys also, man, my AC and furnace just went out, so if you guys see a lot of sweat, I freaking apologize. We can't get it fixed till Thursday this week or something like that. Actually, not even fixed. We gotta rebuy it all. It's bad. Anyway, thanks. I look like a freaking mushroom. That's red. Fungus. I look like fungus right now. Or cheese. Cheese is kind of sick. I look like friggin' red cheese, bro. I got a few cold bevies by me, by the way, too. I thought that would cool me down. It just got me a little bit more tipsy. Not a good thing. Alright, man, before I melt, like I melted my girlfriend's mom's heart. I'm just kidding. Let's get into this. I'm freaking, oh man, I'm dripping. Dripping in ice. Hopefully after this video, because we're unboxing some ice and stuff like that, hopefully. I don't know. I'm not sure what I got. I can't remember it really. Alright, man, so I've been getting so many people asking me to review this Instagram page. I guess they're a website too, but everyone always tags me every time they put up a new picture. Every time in my DMs and stuff like that, people are tagging me. I love that, by the way. I get a lot of really good video ideas from you guys. Instagram's right there, boys. Just follow that right there. We're verified, so you know who it is. Also, I just want to say I'm verified. It sucks to be in a relationship while you're verified though, because I feel like if I had that while I was single, Brand could have like slayed a little more. You know what I mean? Girls dig it. Sorry, continue. This is why we're BLACKLISTED. So this website, this is not sponsored whatsoever, but what they're called is, now these guys, the reason we're doing the video, they're putting out $30 watches. $30 diamond out, bust down watches. They look better than this, and this one's real, and I spent way too much money on it. Like, way more than it was worth. I actually just got scammed. So, the reason people have been tagging me is because this new Gary shop or whatever has been putting stuff up like this. Here's a little screenshot I took, or a little screen recording of one of their ads. Y'all see that? It looks real sparkly. $30, you're gonna get that. I'm not sure. Nobody else is sure. They're like, Brad, you're the man for the plan. Do this, you know? Review it, please. Actually, no one says please, but this is fine. Most people ended in F yourself, but that's cool. Anyway, long story short, $30 watches from this website. Everything they advertise looks like they're actually just like, and they keep saying it's like, this is the real product that we're advertising from the video you just saw. It looks to me, in my personal opinion, like they're showing off real watches and they're going to be selling watches that look somewhat like it. So I don't really know. I'm actually really curious. We got 2 of them, spent about 60 bucks total, I guess. Let's get into it. Let's go. We got 2 right here. Now, one thing I will say also, these have a little Rolex-esque style to them. One thing I cannot do on this channel, I will not be reviewing any fake Rolexes. These are not fake Rolexes. There's no branding on them. They've got a little style to them that looks like it, but a lot of it actually doesn't even. I'm just saying this for my own safety because it gave me a strike one time. Rolex went after my channel real crazy. All I was doing, it was like, I just found like some free Rolex online. It looked like crap and I made fun of it in a video, and now I'm looking at my neighbor mowing my lawn. What a sweetheart. So we got him here. God, I don't think they're gonna look the way that they claim they're going to. They can't. They can't. 30 bucks, obviously not real. Obviously we're still gonna diamond test them. And at one point, we also will do a little shine test that you guys have been asking about. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, I haven't even taken a good look yet. I am really pleasantly surprised. Here's the first one. 30 bucks for this. Does it look exactly like what it looks like in the video? I'd have to recheck. Let's just play the video real quick as I recheck. Yeah, no, definitely not the same looking watch, but really good quality for 30 bucks. I actually brought an example right here. First off, we'll show this. As y'all can see, we got the bust down, iced out. The shine on this is amazing. They really killed that. Honestly, if a lot of people saw you wearing it in person, it doesn't actually, in my opinion, really look that bad on the wrist. What I'm really feeling is the quality. Quality is crap. I swear I could snap this right now. It's just, it's thin. It's not like a real watch. Actually, what I brought right here is, I can't remember where I got this from. It might have been Amazon, I'm not even sure. This is something we had from a previous video. I kept it as a prop. This is also a cheaper watch. What I will say is this one looks a lot better. It looks a lot more real. The style on this is ridiculous. However, it's heavy. It actually feels like this is like a real watch. This right here is real thin. I'm actually really surprised though, bro. As I look at it more, I mean, the diamond settings on it isn't that nice or anything like that, but 30 bucks, it's not bad. I'm okay with this. I thought that it would actually come out the way that it looks on the, oh, that's my dog as a screensaver. The way that it looks on that video I showed y'all, it doesn't. Maybe I just got the wrong one. Probably not though. We're gonna do a shine test with both these after. Let's check out the other one real quick. Everyone's been asking about this, bro. I'm real glad to get this in for y'all, but it's all right. Get into the other one. I remember I got like a little bit of a different style or color or something like that. Really hot in here. That's gone. That sucks. All right, boys, getting into the, okay, this is nice. Oh, buddy. I'm a fan of white gold more than regular gold for the most part, unless it's like rings and stuff. This one takes the cake. I can't believe how that one looks. That's like the bezel I was talking about, like the, whatever the face of it, whatever is in there. Kind of, it's a Rolex-esque. 30 bucks. I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all. I'm not gonna wear them, obviously. I mean, maybe if we can get 2,000 thumbs up within the day. Actually, 100%. If we get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, I'll ship both these off to one person. Anyway, man, look at the shine on that. I'm pleasantly surprised. They don't look like the quality they showed, which is why I'm just gonna call them out, bro. Like, that's like false advertising. In my opinion, I'm just a documentarian right now. You can't get mad at me, New Gary Street. These ones, it's all right, bro. They might be flexing on you guys a little bit too much with the fake imagery. In my opinion, once again, but it's nice. It looks all right. We're gonna do real quick is diamond test it, just because people want to know if you can fake flex with a $20 diamond tester. Then we're gonna do a little shine test on these. We haven't done that yet. Everyone's been asking me to do it, so I shall listen to the people. There's no way this is gonna pass, but just in case it does, we've seen the light before. You know what I mean? Nothing. Bad. Next one. Obviously, nothing's gonna happen. Probably. Oh, this one's a little more real. Still fake as all hell. But hey, look at that. Oh, I can't even say the H word. I forgot. Jeez, man. YouTube. This is nuts. I'm a big cusser in real life. I'm not gonna lie, but I've been real holding back, and I can't even say hell. Come on now. Anyway, yeah, that one looks a little more real. Let's shine test these. What I'm gonna do is take you in a dark room. Generally, what they do is they put on their phone light, and it's like, oh yeah, this is how it actually looks. Never looks like that unless you're in a movie theater or club. Not even a movie theater, because there's not enough lights. You really just gotta be under a light and just be like, yeah, look at this. You take it out of the light, and it's like, dang, it doesn't look as good anymore. I'm actually mad at them now. As I look at these more, how dare you? How dare you advertise that they're gonna look like that? They don't look like that. They don't look like that at all. All right, boys, we are joining you in the washroom right now. Just turn this on. From the same phone I take my weenie pics on. Just kidding. Anyway, they shot real nice, actually. It's a little weird. I don't know. They don't look like they advertise. They do look nice, though. They got a nice shine on. I'll give them that. So how's that shine test? This is the first one we've done. I hope to do more in the future. If I don't get struck by lightning first, which that may happen any day now anyway. There you go. Yeah, hey, look at this one, so much better actually. Alright boys, you guys saw the shine test. I mean, this one I think in my personal opinion shined better. They're really not bad for the price if you're trying to ball on a budget or whatever. I know, you know, not everyone's got a lot of money, and that's fine. That's totally fine. If you want to, you know, flex till you can get the real thing, all for it. Don't care. I'm just a little turned off by the fact that, like, they, like, what I've seen at least, they're showing different watches than what they're selling for that price. You know what I mean? That's a little weird. You know, like, that's, like, kind of, like, scummy in my opinion. So, that's what it is. You guys let me know thoughts down below. Actually, first off, what one's your favorite? Like I said, I usually like the white gold-esque vibe with the watches, but this one I think was done a little bit better. That's it. There's the video you guys have been looking for. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully you dug it. NameBran fam, real strong. I'm gonna go take a cold shower for about 5 hours, then I might edit this up for tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. Appreciate it. Then I'm gonna go get some more cold beverages. And I definitely need that. Blah. Bye.